two identical small metal spheres having charges q and minus 3q exert force F on each other. So here we have two identical small spheres of metal having charge q and minus 3q. Okay, and they are at a distance, suppose the distance between them is d, and they are exerting force on each other by the magnitude is F. Okay, the spheres are touched with each other and then kept at the same separation. So now what happened, we we make touch the spheres to the identical metal spheres, and then again we kept them at the same separation. Okay, so the next is the magnitude of the new force between the spheres will be. Okay, so the spheres again are kept at a distance d, and the question is, what is the force exerting on each other? What is the new force? Correct. So if we see the what was the first the magnitude of force among between them, k q1 q2 by d square is equals to k, we write q for q1 and minus 3q for q2 by d square. Correct, and it will become 3 here a minus 3 q square by d square. Correct, fine. See, when we touch the two metal identical spheres, what will happen? The redistribution of charge taken place, right? Redistribution of charge will take place. Firstly, here was q charge, and in this sphere there was minus 3q charge. As they are touched, so redistribution of charge will be taken place in such a way that the charge, finally the charge on the each sphere will be equal. Why? Because they are two identical metal spheres. As they are identical metal sphere, so their potential will be equal when they will be touched, and potential to set potential equal, the charge distribution, after the charge distribution the charge on them will be equal, and that will be the half of the total charge. Half of the total charge. What was the total charge? Plus q minus 3q, that is, you see here minus 2q, so minus q charge will be there on each spheres, right? Minus q. Now we can easily write the new force k, will write minus q in case of q1 and again minus q for q2 by d square, and the force will become k q square by d square. Correct. So see, the first force, this one was F. So from by comparing this first force and F prime, the new force, we can see that this one is nothing but F by 3. If we consider the magnitude only, neglect this negative sign, this new force F prime will become F by 3. Correct. So our correct option will be option 4.